Tapfiliate tutorial affiliate marketing and tracking software. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Tapfiliate. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Tapfiliate, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you will also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Tapfiliate, it is an innovative affiliate marketing software designed to empower online businesses in establishing and managing their own affiliate programs, in which it enables advertisers to create unique referral links and coupons that track conversions on e-commerce and SaaS platforms. And the software operates by integrating tracking codes into business websites, allowing affiliates to sign up, receive personalized referral links, and promote the brand. And the platform also offers features a user-friendly admin dashboard for business to monitor the performance metrics, while affiliates benefit from their own dashboard to manage. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page where you could also simply enter here your name, your email, and generate your own password. Start creating an account on Tapfiliate, then checking these boxes and click Try It for free. And after that, you will be directed on this page where you can simply fill out all of the required information on this pop-up window, including your company name, since it is important to fill out all of this required information before you get started. And aside from that, you also need to enter your own link, your website. And below it will show you that you could also customize your Tapfiliate login link in here. So after customizing it, just proceed by clicking the next button below to proceed to the next step. And upon clicking on it, from here it will show you to tell us how you plan to use Tapfiliate. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm new to the affiliate marketing, and click the next button to proceed to the next step, in which the next step is simply choosing here your payment option to activate or use the free trial in here. You can use either credit card or PayPal in here, but in those options I'm going to choose the PayPal. And after logging in or signing in your PayPal account as your payment method, you will now be able to be directed on this page right here, in which it will show you on the left side panel some of the options with your dashboard messages, reporting affiliates, conversions, assets, and many more. And as you can see under this dashboard, you will be able to see here the step-by-step process or your guide to get started. With here, the first one, which is to customize your affiliate sign-up page by simply navigating it or customizing, including by uploading your own logo, adding your company name in here, URL, and many more. Now the other one is this, add Tapfiliate to your website. So you can simply choose a platform you wish to install the Tapfiliate, and you could also invite your first affiliate in here depending on your preferences by entering here the affiliate first name, last name, and email address, and sending them invitation through their email. Now aside from that, below you could also navigate some other options or steps, such as to get the word out or to copy this affiliate link and share this to your friends or followers. You could also use some other platform if you want to. And after that, you could also get your first conversion in here and even navigate this Discover Pro features or take it step further. Moving on the left side panel under these messages, you will be able to see the notification and the dialogue, in which it serves as centralized communication hub between the program administrators and also the affiliates. And from here, to start creating a new notification, just click Create Notifications button on the top right corner, in which in here all you need to do is to simply fill out or enter here the recipients and enter here the subject and message content that you want to send. So basically, this feature allows admins to send tailored announcement directly to all affiliates or specific groups. Now moving on the left side panel, aside from that, or aside from messages, you'd also navigate some other options in here, including this reporting, in which it serves as a crucial purpose in enhancing the effectiveness of affiliate marketing programs. You'll be able to see here the number of active affiliates, conversion amount, in which from here it provides a real-time reporting capabilities that allow businesses to monitor affiliate performance, track clicks, conversions, and sales as they occur, in which this immediate access to data is essential for making informed, data-driven decisions regarding marketing strategies and affiliate management. So on the left side panel, you can also navigate the reporting of affiliate asset and many more. Moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate this affiliate section, where from here you can start facilitating the management and recruitment of affiliates for businesses looking to implement affiliate marketing programs. Since you could also navigate here the postback and affiliate recruitment. And to add new affiliate, just click New Affiliate button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, we have here choices such as Add via form or Add via CSV import. And let's say I'm going to choose this form by clicking this button right here. All you need to do on this pop-up window is to simply fill out the affiliate first name, last name, email address, their language, and even the company details in here. So basically, affiliates can track their performance, including clicks and conversions, enabling them to optimize their marketing strategies effectively on this page. And now, after filling out all of this required information in adding an affiliate, you can simply scroll down right here and click Create New Affiliate button, in which upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to see here that your affiliate has now been added, or you have now successfully created your own affiliate in here. You can check these boxes to make it approve, disapprove, set an affiliate group, and many more. Moving on the left side panel, we can navigate here these conversions, in which it appears whenever visitors referred by on your affiliates making purchase on your website, in which this feature allows businesses to define what constitute the conversion, such as purchases, trial signups, or other significant user actions, and to automate the process of attributing these conversions to specific affiliates. And from here to proceed, just click the Start Verification button, and upon clicking on it, you can simply choose here a platform you wish to integrate or install on top affiliate, with here Stripe, Shopify, Squarespace, PayPal, and many more, but I'm going to choose Shopify. And after that, from here, you can simply choose the install code on my website to connect your Shopify store, or choose this verify by simply opening the integration test. So basically, any of this you can use depending on your preferences by following the instruction in here. And you could also do the same process on other application in here. Now, aside from conversions, you could also navigate these assets, in which it is important by providing affiliates with a centralized repository of marketing materials to aid in their promotional efforts, and assets that you add wealth of assets other than the default referral link in which your affiliates can share with their audiences. And to add new asset, kindly click New Asset button on the top right corner, and upon clicking on it, it will show you that all you need to do is to simply fill out the required information by choosing the affiliate, the available for starting, and many more. So basically, this functionality streamlines the promotion process, allowing affiliates to easily share high-quality content that aligns with the brand's messaging and visual identity. Now, moving on the left side panel, you could also navigate this payments option. By clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed in these balances, in which you should see here all of your balance, total payable, and many more, and even your payments in here. Now, moving on aside from payments, you could also navigate here on the left side panel this triggers option, in which it allows users to perform specific actions in response to certain events occurring within the platform. By simply clicking this Create Your First Trigger button right here, you'll be directed on this page where you could add your own title in here of trigger, a description, or add a condition in here or trigger when this happen. Then do the following the response in here, such as email notification, webhook, and many more. So basically, this feature enhances the management of affiliate programs by automating tasks such as the approval of new affiliates, the generation of commission payouts, and notifications for affiliates regarding new conversions. But moving on, you could also navigate on the left side panel the settings option in here, and start navigating including the general settings, prospects, program, and many more. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Tapfiliate. Thank you.